In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of iCloud from another device. So this can be really useful if, for example, you sold your phone and you forgot to sign out of your iCloud, then we can actually sign out of this remotely using another device. Now, the first method is by opening up the settings application. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then scroll down and at the bottom here, you'll see a list of all of your devices. Now you can just go and select the device that you want to sign out from, and then at the bottom of this page, you should have an option to delete the device. Now, if for some reason this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do instead is go and open up an internet browser. Now, from the address bar, just type in iCloud.com and then press sign in. Then go and sign in with your Apple account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on Manage Apple Account, then click on Account Security. And next to trusted devices, you can go and click on the device that you want to sign out from. And you can then scroll to the bottom of this page and click on remove from account. And this will remove your iCloud from this specific device. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.